Every woman, no matter what the circumstances, will feel absolutely devastated when his man suddenly starts to ignore her or pay less attention to her. She will start having negative thoughts that he doesn't love me anymore, or maybe he is getting attracted to some another woman. And as a result, she will do anything to get his attention and love back. She may stalk and even threaten him, which lead to more fights and arguments. This makes things worse. Can you relate yourself to this girl I am talking about? If you do these same things I just talked about, please stop. All of this will drive him further away, and your relationship can quickly turn into a toxic relationship instead of being a romantic one. In this video, I am going to tell you about the exact reasons behind your man pulling away from you and exactly what you need to do to bring him back and make him fall even more in love with you. Stay till the end because I want you to understand this concept and the reasons deeply so you do not commit the same mistakes in future as well. Before I begin with the steps you need to implement to get his attention back, do you want to learn how you can awaken a man's most secret and powerful desire to earn your love and eventually make him obsessed with you? Well, I have personally written an ebook where I have disclosed some untold secrets of making your man feel an everlasting love for you and only you forever. You see, not everything can be shared on YouTube and other public platforms, and that's why you can download this ebook for free only for a limited period of time. The link of this free ebook is in the description below. So let's begin with our video. When a man starts ignoring you, a lot of the time you know the reason. Maybe there has been an argument between you guys or he got upset with you on some topic. But sometimes you have no idea why he is ignoring you and you wonder what's wrong with him. But whatever is the case, I know you feel horrible and start questioning everything and start thinking about the possible reasons behind him pulling away from you. You are trying your best to figure out what exactly happened and what put him off. You are constantly thinking to yourself, why is he ignoring me? Well, here are 4 possible reasons why he is ignoring you. Number 1. He may have someone around him. Now, this can be good or bad depending upon the situation. Some men do not pay much attention to their phones when they are around their family, friends, or either they are working. But if he responds to texts and calls of others when he is around you, then you can question his intentions and motives for ignoring your calls and texts. Is he ignoring you because he is with someone that he wants to hide from you? The answer to this question can be found out from his explanation of late replies and calls. Does he come up with some elaborate explanation, or is his explanation very general like, I was just busy? If he is ignoring you because he is with some other girl, you will observe this pattern continuously and you will get a feeling that his stories are made up. His facial reactions will speak a lot as well if he is lying. And if you have a very strong reason to doubt that he is hanging out with some other girl, you should download my free ebook where I have gone deeply into this and shared some tips which would help you get your guy obsessed over you again. The book is free and you can download it from the link in the description below. Number 2. He is playing games intentionally. This can mostly happen during the beginning of a relationship, though it can happen anytime. If you have absolutely no idea why he is ignoring you and what happened to him, there can be a chance that your man is playing hard to get as he wants to increase your feeling of wanting him more. This is a manipulative game that some guys play and it works. He wants you to experience that pain of waiting for hours to get a reply or call back. Any guy who purposefully ignores you so that the girl wants him more is a manipulative game, and it's a huge red flag for you as a woman. Instead of panicking, do this instead. Text him gently saying, hey, you seemed to be pretty distant since the last few days. You take up hours to reply to me and reply with a 1 or 2 word messages. Is everything okay? This gives him an opportunity to explain his situation and also lets him know that you have noticed a change in his behavior. Again, ask the question gently without getting angry or panicking. By doing this, your boyfriend will share his heart out without worrying about what your reaction is gonna be. Now, he may even deny that there's nothing wrong. If this is the case, don't ask more. Number 3. He is ghosting you. Sometimes a guy is afraid of confessing that he is no longer in love with you or saying that he wants a breakup. So, he will slowly start to pay less attention to you and spend less time with you before calling it quit. So, if you feel he is pulling away and if he is making excuses to no longer meet you or talk to you, he is using ignorance as a breakup method. He is hoping that you will get fed up of this behavior and eventually you will be the one who will end this relationship. So, what can you do in this situation? Just calmly ask him. If this isn't working out for you, just let me know clearly so I can move on. Now, if he wants to break up, you have just given him the opportunity. If he doesn't want to break up, you can communicate your expectations and needs to him. Number 4. He is not into you anymore. This is a difficult truth to accept. Your heart may think that maybe he is too busy working or he is with someone else and that's why he is not texting me back. But trust me, no one is too busy to take 20 seconds to text back his lover. If you are in his priority list, he would definitely find the time to talk to you or at least reply back on time. If he is not keeping you in his priority list, he is not that into you anymore, or he is not really serious about you, or maybe he wants to focus more on other priorities in his life rather than love. Relationship may not be in his priority list right now, and that's okay. You need to move on as you don't want to be with someone who is keeping you at the bottom of his priority list. It's always better to talk to your partner regarding this in detail. And if he says that he is busy in his job or business right now, and he will try to spend more time and attention towards you, you can decide if you want to believe him and give more time to him or not. But if he continuously tells that he is super busy and never promises to be better, then my suggestion is you simply move on, as he is not even willing to put in any effort to change himself. I hope these tips will help you better understand the main reasons behind his ignorance, and you can implement some of these methods to restore the trust and love back into your relationship, or either just finally call it quits. Please subscribe to the channel University of Obsession for more videos on relationship and dating advice. Like and share it with your friends if this video helped you by any means. And yeah, if you want your guy to be obsessed with you over and over and learn to become a true high-value woman, check out my free ebook which I personally wrote. I can promise you that you will learn some really shocking and surprising facts about love and obsession that you may not have heard anywhere before. The link to this free book is in the description box below. Meet you in the next video. See ya!